Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity Hunt. So today I have an exciting opportunity for all quiz lovers, corporate professionals and knowledge seekers. So what if I have to tell you that you could win a 2.5 lakhs and a Taj holiday voucher and even a Harvard Business School online certification by just participating in the quiz competition. Yes, it's true. Tata Crucible Corporate Quiz 2025 it is back with the 21st edition. Okay, and this time it's a bigger and a better than ever. In this video, I will tell you who can participate and how does the quiz works and what are the rewards that you will be getting and how you can register and win this quiz competition. Okay, now stay tuned as we're all going to discuss all the details about this competition. And if you're new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships. There's a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about what is the Tata Crucible Corporate Quiz is all about. So Tata Crucible Corporate Quiz, it is India's biggest business quiz where it started with the Tata groups with 2 decades ago. This quiz is not just about the facts but also it's about the strategy, critical thinking and the fast decision how you can make in this and do answer for the question. So this year it is going to be on ground, meaning the cluster and the national final rounds will happen live, and that is on stage where it is bringing back with the real excitement of the quiz competition. So if you love challenging your brain and this is for you, it's a better competition that you can ever participate in this. Okay, now who can participate for this? It is like what is eligible criteria. So let's talk about that. It is open to all the full-time professionals across the corporate companies, startups, government departments, public and private sector enterprises and other organizations also. So no team participations, only the individual entry can be done in this competition. So it is completely free, so no registration fees is there and you need to not pay any single rupee to apply for this competition, and no limit on the number of participants from the same organization can be. Okay, so if you are working in any field and you love quizzing, then you are eligible to participate in this competition. Now how does competition is work? So this competition is structured in the multiple existing exciting rounds, that is a testing business knowledge, current affairs and strategic thinking. So first it is a prelims, online prelims round we can say, where the participants will take a quiz, online quiz with the business related questions, and the top performers from the each region will be qualifying for the cluster finals. Now the cluster finals is there is a 12 cluster regions across the India. The top 6 uh, top 6 from the each region will be competing the live on stage quiz battle, and the cluster champions will be moving to the national finalist. The national finale will be like it is all clusters will be compete from the Tata Crucible trophy, and the one national winner will be taking home a 2.5 lakhs and more. Sound exciting, right? But wait, so what are the rewards and the benefits that you will be getting from this competition? So now let's talk about the amazing prizes and what you can win from this. So national winner, that is grand prizes, that is 2.5 lakhs cash prize and the Tata Crucible national trophy and the Taj holiday voucher worth of 1 lakh. The national runner-up will be getting of 1 lakh Taj holiday voucher, and the cluster finalist will be getting of 35,000 and cluster runner-up will be getting of 18,000, and top 6 in each cluster will be getting a Coursera certification. So the grand bonus, that is every cluster will championship gets a Harvard Business School online certification as well. So not only you need to win the cash and the voucher, but also you will be getting a valuable certificate that will boost your career as well. Now why you need to participate in this? Still wondering that why should you participate? Here is what. First is of showcase your knowledge and the challenges that for yourself, and you will winning the cash prizes and luxury vouchers, and you will getting a globally recognized hardware certifications, and also you network with the top professionals and the quiz enthusiasts as well. It is completely free, nothing you to lose, and everything you will be getting from this competition. So while you are waiting, let's see how you can apply. Now how you can register for this? So it is very simple, the link in the description box. So when you click on that link, you will redirect to this page and you can simply press on register button. You can register for this competition, and before that you need to create your account in the Unstop. If you have account already, you can log in it and you can register for this thing. And the pro tip from my side is stay updated with the business news, company managers, financial trends and global market updates. So these topics are often asked in this competition. Okay, like what do you think about the Tata Crucible Corporate Quiz 2025, and are you participating in this year or not? Comment down if you need any preparation tips or have any questions, and also let me know which quiz competition you want me to do cover next. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.